Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's episode, I will show you the two different fusions. One is the kolam artistically golden zari weave saree and second one is a traditional motifs Banarasi pattu silk saree. Both sarees are different story, different element and different style cast, but price range are same, quality are super and luxurious, fill foil, that's my guarantee. So, must be visit our website and explore more than 4,500 plus options ready to ship with a different color range, different price point and different story. So, must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Let us start the video. First product you can see the very pretty the parrot green color combinations with elegant the Banarasi weaves in entire the body as well as in contrast pattu border, below border you receive the bigger size, upper border you receive the smaller size, this is shoulder border and bottom border with elegant golden zari Banarasi Kanchi style waves in entire the border part. Let me show you the fully brocade rich pallu parts with a contrast color combination. Look at the beauty of this traditional golden zari waves, the fully brocade rich pallu part. Now, you can see the fill foil of this saree, light weighted breathable soft silk next to the pure material saree in affordable price point. Affordable price point, it means only and only 1,695. 1,695 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you receive the totally free shipping with a Kani Vini Ergani designs in affordable price point. Here you can see the contrast color combination, the fully brocade blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs, different categories and affordable price point. Here you can see the second design. In second designs, you receive the very pretty the ikat waves border parts with the separations of the ratapad border with the elegant kolam artistically golden zari buttas in entire the body. Let me show you the closely. Here you can see the kolam artistically butta with the temple detailings in upper part of this border with the rudraksham detailings and flower motifs in entire the border part with a contrast light peach color combination. If you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So, must be booked one day before on your suitable time slot in our customer care executive number 8154000063. Book your appointment and experience this wild, very unique video call facility. Let me show you the pallu part. In pallu parts, you receive a light peach color combination, same as the border color combination rich pallu with golden zari waves, and body parts you receive the purple color combinations with a kolam artistically buttas entire the body part. We are providing total 6 multi-language support. Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi, total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number, and our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to 6. This saree you can grab at just rupees 1,695. 1,695 rupees free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost and Kanivini Arigani designs. Here you can see the lavender color combination, light lavender color combination, the self brocade blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi, buy now at vastranand.in.